What is up? How's it going? Welcome, BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto communities, BLUECREW, and all the communities out there. Guys, welcome to another DLTalk. Shout out to the BLUECREW. You guys are amazing, man. Always good times. Please let me know how the audio, visual, vocal is coming through. Shout out to the BLUECREW. Shout out to the Green Giants. What's up, Ledger citizens? Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a pro trader, and I'll never tell you what to do. What's up, everybody? Guys, by the way, before we start jumping into the charts and some news, just want to give a shout out to the Green Giants out there. If you're a Green Giant, in a few days, we're having a members or, Green Giants only giveaway. We're giving away an Enviro Pass. Enviro Gallery is the next generation photorealistic art gallery that provides a premium place to display your favorite NFTs. This is not only a professional art gallery with photo, videography tools, and much more, but also a destination gallery in the metaverse. Current floor price right now is 4.6 Solana. One Green Giant's going to be able to grab it. Who's going to be the tallest Green Giant this time around to be able to get this drop? Sound, video is good. Thank you, Rye Guy. What's up, Rye Guy? Squirrely Crypto in the house. Good to see Squirrely. He's saying just being squirrely. Bullish Crypto Sniper in the house. We got a Green Giant amongst us. What's up, Bullish Crypto Sniper? Captain Redbeard saying jazz me to the moon. Hell yeah, man. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Cheers to y'all. Morning, afternoon, good night. Wherever you are, I hope it's going well. We got XRP at 61 cents currently. Not too bad. Happy that it's at least at that 60-cent range. We still have a chance to establish a higher low here. Certainly hope we do. Solana at 92 cents. Some people projecting BTC to go down to 19K again. People are projecting we are indeed in a bear market now, right? We'll see how it all goes. We know things can change rapidly in the crypto space, and we can't lose hope yet. There's been certain support levels that have been broken, yes, that could lead to a bear market, but we still have very long-term ones to respect. Where's Jasmine at? Just trying to find it. Yeah, man, what a value. This could be a great low to be picking up Jasmine right here. Let's look at the chart. Shout out to the BLUECREW. Shout out to everybody jumping on in. You guys know how to YouTube. Let the YouTube algo knows. Let the YouTube algos know what's going on over here with the BLUECREW. Good times. Oh, I got to change that to red. There we go. So could Jasmine go lower? Sure, it could go down to even 3 cents. But this is looking like it's going to be hitting some areas of support very soon, if not already. And start having a little bit of a curve, if you will. Jasmine could be definitely a very exciting project right here. You don't... Like, these type of projects could get very high volatility. The RSI is looking good, too. MACD selling pressure is eased up considerably. I mean, Jasmine could be a very nice one right here, you guys. Shout out to Captain Redbeard. Could have a good shot at least to 14 cents in the short term. But we know this one's a long-term one. Japanese IoT tech company. I mean, we could still have a good time in 2022, especially if a lot of other cryptos start getting bullish. Jasmine could ride that hype up and be one of those, low market cap cryptos that happens to get a lot of volatility. I mean, $1 Jasmine. BLUECREW would definitely be celebrating with Captain Redbeard right there. Mr. XR Free, good morning. The BLUECREW is up early. Yeah, we got an early stream today. I got up at like 6 a.m. today, so I just felt like streaming. I was like, this is strange. We'll give it a try, though. We'll give an early morning stream a try. Maybe we stream for a little bit longer. We'll see. See how the stream goes. Working and lurking, doing an oil change on my Sprinter van this morning. Rye Guy, nice, dude. If you don't know a van life biker, man, He's a OG BLUECREW member. He's got an awesome YouTube channel about how to soup up your Sprinter van, and I mean it's a van life biker. That's his name. But yeah, good gains to be had right here with Jasmy, man. Just that's a good opportunity. I'm sure we're going to be seeing a lot of good opportunities in the space already. The fear is considerable right now. If we thought we were at a, the sentiment was low before this crash, it's just like people are now getting really grim about the future of crypto, right? The fear is in, but that's where the biggest rewards can come. That's why the Tiger Gang doesn't mind seeing the reds. We take advantage, right? And over here with something like Jasmy, it just looks like it could be oversold and getting ready for a pivot. And we could have a really, 100% gain, just very short term, right? Hell, I'll even lower it a little bit here, right? 82% gain to be had possibly here with Jasmy. And that's just the short term type of thing. We're talking long term here with Jasmy. Could be a good one. But let's check out what else is going on. What's up in the past 24 hours here? Samo the dog coin has started to moonshot. My gosh. Solana's dog coin. Samo doing some good things here. What else do we got? Track coin at 61 cents is looking like a very good value right here for Track. Orion Protocol might be one to not sleep on. We've talked about it here and then. If you like Elrond and you're a big Elrond person, Orion Protocol. Same thing with Cardano if you like Cardano. Elrond and Cardano are working together through Orion here, trying to create an omni-chain DEX of their own. Spell token at 005 looks like a great opportunity here. Render token under $5 I'm bullish on. But they've been making some good gains. That's good to see. It's good to see. Let's see what's in the deep reds in the past 24 hours here. Router now down to 560. Rowan token is down to 7 cents. This is crazy. Crazy to see Rowan token this low. Dang, top 100 for Jasmy soon. That's awesome. Cryptoholic, we got another green giant amongst us. My lord. The green giants are jumping in, feeling bullish on Sol and DOT. Yeah, man. Speaking of Solana, once again, green giants, you have to have a Phantom wallet so I can send you whoever wins out of the green giants the NFT, the Enviro Pass. We'll be doing a giveaway in a few days. Either the first week of the first, of the new month, or at the end of the month directly. I'll release the date and time. It'll probably be the day before or the day of when I release the date and time. So just get those notifications set. Green Giants. Sniff, June. I'm just in fear of more fake pumps. If that's what happens, might sell half, hold half. Play both sides. Darcy, I hear you. I hear you, Darcy. Just get it. Yeah, what if we just keep getting relief rallies that get us hyped up that we're going to continue the bull cycle and then it sells off hard again to newer lows, right? But if you look at the charts for, I'm assuming most people here are very XRP friendly and want to see some XRP charts. Don't mind it as like the default chart to look at. You can see that we still have a chance here with XRP, right? We still have somewhat of a chance. But if we break past here, it's very grim for sure. Right? We still have a chance of creating a higher low than the previous low here. So if we can pivot here for XRP, this is good news. And we're testing previous areas of resistance as support, hopefully, as support. If we're not, and we break through, and we even start going into 54-cent range, I'm saying we're going to probably go down to the low 40s. And then probably go down to 30 cents, and that would be your your bottom if it went bearish, right? Damn the XRP, man. Damn, I was going to scoop in Viro for 3.5 SOL, but I bought 3 Invokers for the daily rewards instead. Hopefully I can win, LOL. Cryptoholic, I hear you, man. Dude, I'm loving the Solana NFT marketplace. It's just amazing. I wanted to get Invokers as well. I missed out on the Invokers one. The next one I'm getting excited for, though, if you guys are curious, in the Magic Eden NFT marketplace that could have like a good... The thing with how crazy this NFT marketplace is, you want to jump in on these launch pads, be the first one to get it for like about 1 Solana, and chances are, especially if it's a good one, chances are that, you know, the floor of Solana goes up. So it would go from, you know, you bought it for 1 Solana and it goes up to like 3 Solana within the month, or 4 Solana, right? That's how crazy this marketplace is sometimes. It's not always a guarantee, though, right? Nothing's a guarantee in this space ever. But it's just been really fun with the... Here, I got to put in... Well, this is the next one that I'm actually excited for. I'm not going to put in my thing. But yeah, Galactic Fight League. It's fight time. Welcome to Galactic Fight League, a play-to-earn game where the world of fighting meets the metaverse to create an immersive experience featuring some of the biggest fighters and brands in the world of AMA. So this is pretty cool. 900 or about 10,000 items. Price is 1.7 to start. 1.7 Solana to start. And I like this one. Why I'm looking forward to this one, and I think it could actually appreciate in the floor price. Obviously, super low supply. And then the quality of the NFTs, how different each NFT looks from each other. It's 3D. You could possibly use this NFT, right, in the Fight League, and it's a play-to-earn game, right? So this one I like to speculate on. Oh, can we see your alpha, G? Yeah, sure. Here, let me get... I think I put them up for... I think I already put them up for a price. Let me see where the alpha gorillas are at. I think I already put them up on Marketplace, so I'll show it to you that way. Let me just search. I got a rare one, dude. I got a very rare one. Here's mine. I put them up for 101 Solana. So that's my alpha gorilla right there. The golden alpha gorilla. Only 3 golden ones are up for sale right now. Dude, if I hit 101 SOL on this, man, that would be crazy. That would be crazy. I mean, the floor price is so far away from that right now, but people may want a gold gorilla, dude. They may want one. I'm going to reach high, you know. Maybe asking for too much right there. Should sell for 10 SOL. You really think so, huh? Just get the 10 Solana right now. Okay, well look. You got one for 41 Solana here. You got another one for 25 Solana here. So what if I went down to about 20 SOL? I think I could get it for double the 10. I think you can get one for double the 10. People like golden stuff, man. Everybody's grocery stores staying stocked up. Mine are not. Interesting, Ralph Cooper. That's crazy. Guys, by the way, 3 days left until the launch of Ledger City. I hope you guys are getting excited for this. There's going to be the XRP community before Ledger City and the XRP community post Ledger City. Get ready, guys. They themselves have said, be ready to partake in the biggest land grab in modern history, right? Because when you own a property on Ledger City, you are owning real value because XRP is real value. Did you like Bobos of War? Bobos of War looked interesting. It was pretty funny. I looked at it a bit, but I didn't buy any Bobos of War, Cryptoholic. Yeah, the NFT marketplace in Solana is a lot of fun. It's just because it's so easy to use. That's the thing. The ease of use, right? That's what we try to really focus on in this space. Um, People can get lost in the tech aspects a lot, but I'm all about the user experience. If the user experience is smooth and doesn't require a lot, and yet it's fun, it's enjoyable, it doesn't make me feel like I have to jump through a lot of hurdles to make transactions, to trade, to swap, Solana ecosystem's doing it really well. I've been trying to share DeFi land with you guys, but the most I could just share is actually just their Twitter page. Because for some reason when I try to stream, I think it's just too much on my laptop with DeFi land. But this is a really cool thing that's coming up for Solana right now. It's a farming game. And you get like, you know, you can already do this. Like, for example, with Osmosis Zone and liquidity pools, you could do all these things, you know, Radium and liquidity pools. You know, people who know how to do DeFi and AMMs and liquidity pools and things like that. It's basically a visualizer game, DeFi land, where you actually get to see those crops. Like, you plant your crops and you see them in the liquidity pools, and then you get to see what your rewards are, and then you harvest them. But it's just cool that you get a visual experience, right? This is what their swap part looks like. And then these are what your crops end up looking like, right? When you're planting it down. So it's a fun website. I would check it out if you're into the Solana ecosystem. And, you know, want to just keep exploring how awesome, you know, they're coming out with really cool innovation and user-friendly experiences. That's what, for me, is the really big thing. Is DeFi land's very simple to log into and use. I like that they make these in-game or in-browser games that you just jump into right away, connect with your wallet, and get to play right away. And this is more of an AMM, a visual AMM, you know. So DeFi land, I would check out. Let's see what else we got on the Twitter news here. So Devno Productions saying about Ledger City, will we be able to implement third-party NFTs like JPEGs as a painting and custom avatars into Ledger City? And Devno Productions is saying yes, this feature is on the roadmap. Right? So custom avatars coming. We know the tiger's coming to the Ledger City. Ralph, where are you at? I've heard that some places are running low on food. Oh man. Ralph Cooper in Virginia. Nice. Maryland. Nice. Big news coming out for the AKT community. You guys know we're fans of Akash Network and just love seeing Kraken Exchange listing. AKT, guys. Kraken listing AKT is the first instance of a native Cosmos SDK non-ERC20 token being listed on a major centralized exchange in over 2 years. This trend is likely to continue throughout the new year. New token listed on Kraken, AKT, Akashnet. Deposits begin now and trading is live February 1st. So guys, we've thought AKT has been a value for some time. Great to see Kraken listing this, and I do feel like AKT is going to be coming to Coinbase very soon. Right? They're talking about bringing Solana ecosystem assets to Coinbase, AKT being a Solana ecosystem asset, but also bringing more Cosmos ecosystem assets to Coinbase. And you already have so many. I do expect Osmo and AKT to possibly be listed on Coinbase soon in the future. Or Iris and AKT. But this is great news. I mean, 145, super low supply for AKT. Big news coming out with Kraken Exchange, more liquidity. I mean, during this whole retracement for AKT, let's look at its chart. During this whole retracement for AKT, so much news has happened. It's had 2 major listings with Bittrex and Kraken Exchange, right? and more liquidity has been happening. More use in the IBC ecosystems. Juno, Osmo being very successful projects in the Cosmos ecosystem that are built on Akash, right? Are using Akash. Majority of Cosmos Atom validators running on Akash. The decentralized cloud is real. They're building something real here, right? So right here could be a time to be taking advantage. Stock RSI is right at the low here. Could be creating a higher low than the previous low for AKT. If we start getting a pivot here or a rally, we could be reaching up to 397 sometime in the future. And then if we can break out of here, you know, we're obviously expecting newer highs, like double-digit highs, plus for something with such a low supply and awesome use case. And also part of the Interledger protocol stack, right? Good to see this. Shout out to the 8 viewers, 11 likes. Shout out to the Blue Crew in the chat. You guys are hilarious. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Volante Technologies, the global payments industry group. P20 Payments announces new chair, financial inclusion, energy saving. JP Morgan's Sarah Castellano takes the chair at the P20. Interledger Foundation, a good thread about the work our Grant for the Web WordPress ambassador did looking for web monetization and web publishing. Can't sleep on the Interledger Foundation here, guys. The underlayer to the internet protocol, bringing internet of value. Once again, this video about XRP coming out. We've checked this out yesterday. But exciting times in the crypto space. Let's look at another chart here. Let's go for the reds. What's going on in the deep reds here? Spell token at 005. Very interesting one right there. 283 for Smartlands. Let's jump in on Smartlands token. We're liking the Smartlands token. We're liking XLM, man. Excited. Smart contracts coming to the Stellar ecosystem. You know, XRPL doing it too. So these two, don't sleep on XRP, don't sleep on XLM. Very unique forms of consensus and have been for a while. And the two top gainers in the 2017-2018 bull run, right? Such a weird chart for Smartlands because it could just go down at this point, right? It can just come down to even 52 cents randomly for this token. But we could be seeing it hitting, what is it, 225, 210, which is getting close to a bottom here. It's at 281. Maybe the bulls start coming back. Stock RSI is agreeing with me here. Maybe the bulls start coming back for Smartlands token. And let's see where it goes. Imagine Smartlands back at that $20 range with such a low supply for that crypto. It's possible. And if XLM's ecosystem continues to go up, more usage starts coming, Smartlands can definitely get some traction. Let's jump to their website really quick. Smartlands became Defender. Finding a better way for capital raise and investments, we leverage decentralized finance to make investing in real economy assets faster, easier, and more cost-effective. Our digital investment platform unlocks liquidity for asset owners and opportunity for investors worldwide. SLT, cryptocurrency of Smartlands by Defender ecosystem, real estate tokenization platform. Let's visit their platform. New era of real estate investments, Smartlands beta. The first mover of fractional digital ownership. To become a fractional owner of a profitable asset is simple. Just register your account and pass the identity verification. And once you have done it, the assets are there for you to research and invest in. Yep, built on Stellar. Partners, Stellar, Smartlands Network, Quantum Attorneys, Empire State Capital Partners. I like seeing Stellar there, though, for sure. And, of course, Smartlands Network. Let's see if they got a separate website for this. Blockchain solution for financial markets and tokenized regulated assets. Ledger Nano compatibility with Smartlands token. Interesting project they got going on here, man. Interesting project. Especially if you believe that XLM's ecosystem will grow. And if so, Smartlands token's been part of it for quite some time. Miles P, Dan the XRP man. What's up? Good morning to y'all. We got 13 viewers, 13 likes going on. Having a party over here with the Blue Crew. We're looking at the reds, saying Smartlands token looking like a good option right here. Cypherium, big news coming out about Cypherium. Just refresh everybody's memory. Where you at, Cypherium? A world-class payment system where everyone can safely and securely pay anyone, anywhere, and near immediate funds availability. This is the faster payments vision with Cypherium. So Cypherium, a member of the Faster Payments Council, right? Federal Reserve Board partnership. For a penny crypto, that sounds like a... And that's an awesome piece of news to be coming out during a retracement, mind you, for Cypherium. Right? People aren't surprised now if news sometimes doesn't correlate with price, especially with these low caps. Like, you can have a big piece of news like this for something like Cypherium, and since, you know, it's a super low cap, it just follows the market trend and not really the hype, right? And that is some hypey stuff. I'll say that for Cypherium, but we're liking what we're seeing here out of a penny crypto being part of the blockchain service network, being CBDC ISO 20022 compliant, and, you know, now part of the Federal Reserve like partnership program, the faster payments. It's pretty awesome. For a penny crypto, that's more than I could ask for. So we're going long on CPH here, but let's see where it's at on the chart. Very new crypto, right? We'll see if it's ready for a pivot here, but holding pretty strong despite the retracement. We've been seeing it at a penny range, you know, for a good while. A lot of cryptos went down majorly. I'm not saying, you know, at the end of the day, the market is pennies, but this is very early days for a crypto that can definitely start picking up some steam, especially when you consider its position on live coin watch here. But let me check out CoinMarketCap and see where they have Cypherium ranked. Alright, so here with Cypherium, they got it ranked at 5,304. Oh, man. Wow. Volume is pretty low. Max supply is about 8,500,000,000. But we'll see. You know, that's what penny cryptos are like sometimes. It's just a little iffy on why the price is that way. But hell, there's news coming out about it. Love your tiger face, man. Jorge, appreciate it. Oh, is he zooming in? Is he jumping in like this? Give me a sec. Sometimes we go out of sync. All right, so we're looking at the reds once again in the 30 days. We think Smartlands and Cypherium are looking pretty good here. We like Gala under 20 cents. We like Stronghold where it's at. Stronghold's a major value right here. Track under $1. Atlas token under 10 cents. ICX. Remember ICX and Algorand having that partnership. Can't sleep on ICX. It's really big in Korea. LTO. It's a lot of good value still out there to be had. And, you know, a lot of people's sentiment is like just not very focused on even wanting to invest in this market right now. There's a lot of people who are scared, right? Cadena at 569 looking like a pretty good one here. Down 56% in the past 30 days. 1 billion supply. Build the future on Cadena. Build without compromise. Our ecosystem provides the security of Bitcoin, virtually free gas, unparalleled throughput, and smarter contracts. Plug us in, deploy, and scale. Partners and your products, CeeLo, Cosmos, Ledger, Polkadot, Terra. I mean, these are some heavy hitters here. Flux, right? Flux a partner with Cadena. I think Chi-Town's the one who's big on the Flux train right there. So he must like seeing these partnerships with Cadena as well. So it's an appealing one, right? Especially with how far down it is. You know, we like looking for these cryptos in the reds with pretty quality fundamentals to it, at least. I mean, could this be it? Could it be finding the low here? We've had a hard time finding a... It went down in the direction, you know, we always try to go up, give you a downwards, upwards, midway, you know. So far it's hit a new low, which we were pretty close there. Now, do we pivot from here, though? It's looking very oversold. It's at the 78.6 range. This is looking like a perfect deep retracement area for something like Cadena. Even for a short-term rally that could take you possibly up to, like, you know, $9. That's a pretty good short-term value right there if it gets a pivot towards the upside. Right? You're talking about close to a 50% gain right there for KDA. We like KDA. I like KDA. Anything connected with Cosmos ecosystem and top tier projects like that. Very ambitious. You've heard other developers talk about it. Right? That's what I like, is the word of mouth amongst those developers themselves, because they know more about these projects than we do, that's for sure. I don't like to think I know everything about the project. I like listening to what the actual developers are saying, you know, or institutions that are working with them, right? If we do go to a bear market, I don't think it will be a long one, 6 to 12 months, who knows. Darcy, it definitely won't be as long as the last one. I feel that at least, that this next bear market won't be as long as what the last one was in 2018, 2019. It just doesn't make sense. In 2018, 2019, there were NFTs, but there wasn't NFT innovation yet the way that it is now. The ease of use to onboarding people to using blockchain, crypto, DeFi, play to earn games. It's just so much more going on than there was in those 2 years of that bear market. So if we do go into a bearish market, I don't think it's going to be for as long. And that was an historically long bear market, right? Old school bully, what's up, dude? Here's a wrench. With the wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely. Gabriel Yanas, good morning to you. We're here hanging out with the Blue Crew. It's an early day, but we're still streaming. So yeah, Stronghold token looking good, guys. ALEF token under 50 cents. I'm liking ALEF. part of that Solana ecosystem. I mean, Coinbase has announced, right? Listing Solana ecosystem tokens on their platform. This is going to open up probably more investment in Solana itself. But yeah, we'll look over this piece of news here just so we have more of an idea. Coinbase close to listing Solana ecosystem tokens. Sources: the exchange's stated mission is of listing every allowable crypto is taking a major step forward with plans to list Solana's answer to ERC20 tokens. Coinbase is ready, and its trading rails for Solana ecosystem tokens. 4 people familiar with the plans told CoinDesk the US-based crypto exchange plans to allow withdrawals of SPL or Solana program library tokens. Solana's answers to Ethereum ERC20, the people said. One person added that Solana native USDC, with its $4.8 billion in circulating supply, could be among the supported assets. Sources said the feature could come online in the near future. Coinbase declined to comment, though. So listing SPL tokens would appear to make a major development in Coinbase's token onboarding strategy, allowing now to it have only listed Ethereum-based coins and flagship Layer 1 blockchain assets such as Algorand and Atom. Coinbase CEO Sweeping Gold lists every asset where it's legal to do so. So it's legal to release Solana ecosystem tokens? Is that what they're saying? Solana's landscape of decentralized finance coins, for exchanges, staking protocols, and more is still relatively small in terms of market value. While Ethereum-based tokens like Shiba Inu and Chainlink command circulating market capitalizations, the biggest SPL token by same metric is Serum, according to Coinbase. It was not immediately clear which regions would allow trading, but guys, anyway, that's why, we've been bullish on the Solana ecosystem in the very early part of 2021, right? But now we're starting to see the growth, right? Especially with, the innovation that they're having in their NFT marketplace, so on and so forth, play to earn gaming. What can you say about Gala? Just started to play that Townstar. It's not easy. Any ideas? Jorge, Townstar, I don't really play Townstar, man. I've been fortunate to have a Gala founder node, so I just make passive Townstar token through having the founders node. But I don't really do play to earn right now for games in the blockchain space. I invest in the projects, but I don't really do the playing aspect. Just because I feel like even doing the playing is the same amount of time or equated to money that you could be making in just staking or running a node. I think once play to earn does become a little bit more worth the time that is spent playing the game to get the revenue, then I think that's where it can come down to, there could be some really amazing things. But yeah, for me, I'd rather just invest in staking something for a high percentage, and then instead of just making like a handful of tokens for playing an hour to 3 hours worth of a game, I could just already be staking that thing, and I just only had to set it up. It only took me a few moments, right? I'm done with the ETH fees. Hell yeah, man. I've been done for about 1.5 years, and I haven't looked back, and it's been great. The only time I put up with ETH fees is the Gala transactions, right? Withdrawing my Gala to either take profits or purchase stuff with it, right? Yeah, exactly, Jorge Pacho. But I am bullish on the future of play to earn. Don't get me wrong. I am excited to play some of these games. Hell, Ledger City, for example, right? I am excited to participate in the Ledger City game. Tan May, what's up, man? Here's a wrench. With the wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely. Welcome to the Blue Crew. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, I think we are the only crypto avatar streamer in the space right now. But the future is bright. Maybe there's going to be more in the future. Who revived ETH fees? Or who received ETH fees? Hans Loaded, what's up, Blue Crew? How's it going, Hans Loaded? Good to see you, my man. But yeah, guys, Ledger City, 3 days away. You know, remember, you're going to have a chance to get Ledger City coin, and that, you know, you can get it with either XRP or fiat. I'm going to do it with XRP, so I'm saving a side stash of XRP to get some LCC token to hodl and maybe even purchase some NFTs with, right? This is the advantage of being early on something that could be massive for the XRP community, for the XRP ledger, showing the potentials of the XRP ledger of having kind of like this Decentraland based on XRP ledger, right? Is this a new meta game? It's basically a metaverse game. We do have a we have a playlist called LCU, or Ledger Citizens United, and you can get all the info on Ledger City there, my dude. It's a big project coming out for the XRPL. It's a metaverse game, right? Game based on the XRP ledger. It fluctuates with the XRPL. If you're an XRP hodler, you already have a building in this game that you can claim, right? Without even knowing it. You don't have to participate in Ledger City game, right? But if you want to see like what the XRPL looks like in like a cool 3D visualizer, and then also, you know, claim a part of that land with your, you know, claim your property and be able to build your property in that, you know, digital world, kind of makes it a metaverse, right? The bull market is still intact. I feel you too, man. D-Stellar1, I feel that. I think so too. I think right now we're just really hitting the brunt of it, where the fear is massive, right? Could get a little bit bigger, but right now we're taking advantage, right? Tiger Gang doesn't cry when they see red. They try to pounce on opportunities, and there could be a good opportunity here as well. Stellar, very similar situation with what's going on with XRP. I mean, it does look bearish, but we're also testing historical areas of accumulation for Stellar, right? Around this range. Historical areas of accumulation. And then also testing previous resistance as support. Now, what I could see happen is another dip that takes us below there for just a second, and we think we're really screwed with Stellar. It's at like 13 cents or something. And then it creeps back in on the monthly, right? Right now, though, it's saying that we will find support here and pivot towards the upside, possibly. The MACD is showing bullishness. Stock RSI has already been ready on the run-up, right? There's some bullishness coming up from here with Stellar. Let's zoom in. Look at the hourly, see what's going on, and you can see there's already a short-term breakout right here for XLM. Right? Could it run up to 20 cents? Sure. And if we can break past that, could be going up to about 22, 21 cents on the hourly here. But that could be a good sign of a breakout right here and getting ready for some bullish momentum. On the short term, the hourly is not too good to do a short-term trade there. But on the daily looking good. And then I assume the further we zoom out, the better it looks. Yeah, weekly is looking great. Yeah, Stellar's ready to pop for sure. And guys, like, yeah, my top coins are the ones that, you know, super fast, super cheap to transact with, great user experience, and heavy connections with Interledger Protocol, XRP, Solana, XLM, Atom, Algorand. Those are like my top coins, right? Heavily connected with Interledger Protocol, connected to the Internet of Value, HBAR, right? Mini NFT is hosting XRP NFT on Twitter Spaces today. Cool. I don't want to build a digital property in the meta fake Varus. I don't. Darcy, you don't have to. You don't have to at all. Unless there's maybe a way of generating some value out of it, right? What if you got some passive income? What if it's like participating in an AMM or liquidity pool? What if you earn passive NFTs that you can trade for value? We'll just have to wait and see. The imposter king will fall and the phoenix will rise. XRP. Exciting times ahead for XRP as well. Can you check ALEF0? A0 is a new blockchain launched yesterday. It just launched yesterday? Oh, man. It's not popping up on the live coin watch. I'll try out CoinGecko, my dude, but if I can't find it. I don't know if I could do a chart for something that just launched yesterday, my man. That's just crazy. Yeah, but 89 cents. 8 million 24-hour trading volume for right now. Let's jump to the Twitter and see what's going on. Peer-reviewed public blockchain platform with private smart contracts ready for the DeFi revolution. So private smart contracts doing what kind of secret network is doing, huh? Interesting. XRP Darren follows it? Okay. Interesting that XRP Darren is following this one. Let's go to their website. Thanks for bringing awareness to this crypto. Shout out to the BLUECREW guys. You guys are awesome, man. Thanks for keeping the energy up in the chat there. ALEF0. This is the ALEF of all ALEFs. PhDs across the board. Alright, this is the juicy stuff right here. Who are the partners? I mean, it's a good list of partners. I'm not really overly impressed with any of them, though. We'll see. We'll add it to the list, though. When it's available on Live Coin Watch, we'll add it to the list. Just remind me of ALEF0 in the future. ALEF0. Trying to compete with Solana? Oh man, good luck. Good luck. It's going to have a lot of catching up to do. Hell, at least be interoperable with Solana, right? I think that's what a lot of these blockchain projects are realizing is like we got to just be working together with our competitors. Oh, Galileo, appreciate you. Hey, Tiger with the double G. Here, you have a great day. Me enjoying the show. Thank you. So yeah, guys, 3 days left. Get ready, Ledger citizens. Get ready, BLUECREW. Get ready, Green Giants. 3 days left until the launch of something for Ledger City, a website at least. If we get the game, that'll be great. I haven't received any email yet, any early email notifications or anything, but if you guys have, let me know. And also, you know, if you're not aware of this, sign up. Get notified. Enter your email. Get notified as, you know, the point of launch and all that stuff for Ledger City game. Let's check out Algorand's chart. Yeah, so Algorand not looking too bad, right? Algorand not looking too bad here. We're liking what we're seeing out of Algorand. Another opportunity of creating a higher low from this previous low, and that's all we need to do, right? We created a higher high right here from the previous high If we can create this higher low, if we establish this higher low, this is the time to be, you know, be a tiger right here, pounce, right? Or at least you're in the bushes and you're looking at your prey already at this point, right? Sure, we get a nice short-term rally that could take us up to about $1.38. That would be nice, because then it could still go bearish from there, sure. It could still go down. Or we could finally get a continuation towards the upside and establish a higher high, because that's what we want to do here with Algorand, is keep creating higher lows and higher highs. And that's so far what Algorand has done, right? Since March of 2020, new high, higher low, new high, higher low, new high. Hopefully here, higher low. If not, we are in a bear trend for Algorand and possibly going all the way back down to the 50-cent range. But I'm liking the way it's looking, man. I think we're getting closer to the bottom, or if are already really close to the bottom, and stock RSI is showing that we could get a pivot here, at least in the short term for something like ALGO. Could be a fun weekend ahead, we'll see, or start of next week. Hopefully February starts to bring a little bit different sentiment. January was definitely very tough for a lot of investors, you know, and the sentiment right now is just very low on crypto in general. A lot of people like not feeling that fervor as much, right? And it makes sense because you're seeing what's going on in the portfolio, but you also have to understand, you know, it's still a chance at a bullish cycle here continuing. We've gone through a really, really tough part of this bullish cycle though, right? Going through the ups and downs, but that's where the greatest rewards do come. Seems like a full reset of a lot of assets. Still waiting, but buying some more. I hear you. I know a lot of people are kind of waiting for more lows. That's the thing right now, is that the sentiment is so low that people think it could just go lower and really stink up the place. So many good projects just losing all support because no hype to save them from the drop. I hear you, Tanmay. Go ask a cartoon bear. I know, right? Either ask the cartoon tiger or the cartoon bear. What's up, Alchemist? Good to see you, man. Shout out to the Blue Crew. Good morning to all of y'all. We started pretty early today, right? We're going into the hour. We'll see how long we can go here, but shout out to the Blue Crew. So yeah, once again, up in the past 24 hours, Samo, Orca, so like some Solana ecosystem tokens are starting to get some hype around them because of that possible Coinbase news, right? I think people are getting bullish on Samo possibly being listed on Coinbase, right? Because if they have Shiba Inu and Doge, and they're saying they're going to think about listing SPL tokens or Solana-based tokens, Samo totally fits the bill. Samo totally fits the bill. And Samo has reached a low. It looks like it could have hit a low right here and it started breaking out. My God, are we actually talking about a dog coin? Here we go. We've gotten to this point of the stream. But yeah, you have a possible breakout right here for Samo. Check that out. And it went down to the depths. Major retracement. Right? Further, even way past the 78.6, but it is a small cap coin, so that could happen. But now it looks like you got a breakout here with Samo. On the daily, it's saying people are going to take some profits very soon. So you may get lucky for a retracement back to about a penny range. Like a penny 8 cents, and then that could be a good time to be accumulating some Samo and seeing if, you know, just speculating long term that it's going to get listed on Coinbase and be part of the dog hype cycle. especially if there's a Solana ecosystem hype cycle for getting listed on Coinbase. Yeah, the way the charts look gives you no hope sometime, right? This could also just be a massive sideways type of stunt here with Samo, right? I'm not going to get too overhyped over a dog coin, but I just like that that kind of speculation of thinking, wait a second though, Samo could be the next dog coin that gets listed on Coinbase in the future. The Solana dog coin, right? I don't know if you guys have heard of Wawa. Oh, they finally got it on here. We can add Wawa to the dog coin list, the Cosmos ecosystem dog coin. Wawa not doing too well though. 0.004 range. I think it got very close to a penny per, which is absurd for something like that, like a dog coin. The fact that these dog coins have such high volatility is just so stupid. But it is what it is. Pack protocol at 0.001 range. Possibly a great opportunity right here for something like Pack. What else do we got? Songbird was looking good for a second. It went up to about 11 cents or so, then retraced right back down under 10 cents again. We'll see what ends up happening here with Songbird, but I definitely think Songbird is one of the more major undervalued cryptos in the space right now. Shiv got destroyed. Might adopt a little doggy. The world is the stage. Yep. BTC still controls it all, but they like to look at other charts in vain. Exactly. Right. Yep, exactly. Weekly looks fine. Just zoom out. Exactly. I'd adopt a Soul Pup. Astro should be on that one. If there must be. Let me see Astro. Is that a dog coin? Astro Pup. Oh my gosh. 1 quadrillion supply. I mean, come on, guys. 1 quadrillion supply for Astro Pup. I'm talking about like dog coins that at least have just like a billion, right? I'm not talking about these trillion in supply type of cryptos. Hell, even Cheems has more respect than that. Even freaking Cheems. I think Cheems is dead though. I literally think I think this Cheems coin is dead. Astro from the Jetsons. Oh, okay. On Cosmo, the name. Oh, okay. Luna got destroyed today. Oh, let's look at Luna. Let's see where Luna's at. I mean, it makes sense that Luna had this type of retracement, though. It had such a crazy short-term, gain. How, high it went up. So, yeah, Luna just fell off a cliff around here. Let's go from the recent pump to the recent high and see if we have any hopes of possibly establishing a higher low right here. For something like Luna, right? We would pivot right here. We would be pivoting right here if that's the case for Luna, if we're going to be establishing a new low before going to create a newer high. If not, you're probably in time just come back down to around the $22 range for Luna. This could possibly happen. You either climb your way back up and start creating newer highs, right? Establish this as a newer low from the previous low. And start creating newer highs. We've had a chance already to do a higher low than the previous low. But now we're creating lower lows, right? A lower low and lower highs. This could be a bearish market for Luna, but we'll see. If it's going to pivot and continue a bullish cycle, it'll pivot right around here. This should be around the bottom. $28. Okay. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. Wouldn't be surprised. Luna's got no legs. How's the Dragon coin doing? Dragon Chain. Yeah, let's check out Dragon Chain. It's always good value if it's under 10 cents for Dragon Chain. That's my thing. So yeah, Dragon Chain, we're just trying to ride the journey here. Right? We got hopes that it's getting ready to break out. It came down, test the bottom that we were projecting right here. Started getting bought back up though. I'm liking Dragon Chain even short term right here. It's possibly finding a new low, and then we could, you know, anything's possible for Dragon Chain. I'm still bullish on this chart. Stock RSI is in favor with me. And the journey could be tremendous, man. Journey up to about a 10x from here. Right? Dragon Chain can definitely be one of those 10xers. I do believe it. Let's check out where Near Protocol is. A lot of people talking about Near Protocol right now as a possible Solana competitor as well. We'll see. I mean, they're both part of the blockchain service network, so we do like some Near Protocol. The chart looks very similar to what Luna's chart is. I do expect Near to probably get some short-term volatility here. That could take it down to about $6, $7 range. Maybe even go a little bit lower, go to $4.29. So Near Protocol. We'll see how bullish this thing is. It's super early days with a crypto like this, right? It came out in 2020, so hard to figure out a chart for a crypto this early. They all trying to eat some dust off the ground once. Yep. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another DLTalk. Shout out to the Blue Crew. Look forward to an LCU later today, getting together with the Ledger citizens, talking about Ledger City. Guys, we are 3 days away from Ledger City coming out. Get that XRP ready, set up those accounts, get ready to claim your buildings. It's going to be an awesome time. But guys, thanks so much for tuning in and supporting. Much love to the Blue Crew. Farewell, Green Giants, and adios, Ledger citizens. Always grateful. Thank you, BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto community, Blue Crew, and all the communities out there. The future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright. Our future is bright. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep the eye of the tiger, y'all. Adios.